Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to see a scenario. So basically what we'll do, let's say we have a text in any specific language, okay? And if in case you want to translate that into a different language, so how we can do all this using our flow. So for that, let me create a new flow. I can go to automation, cloud flow, instant flow. Let me give you some basic understanding of the connector here, then we'll see a real life scenario. I'll select manual here. I will create this. Let me give a name here. I can say SC Translator. And here let me add a new step here so I can search for my translate. So here we have this translate text available. And here basically you can simply get the text information and then you can translate to all these available languages. Okay, so what I will do, yeah, so there is one more thing. Okay, so let me now change some scenarios. So now you usually know, as long as you'll provide a text here, you're able to convert the text into a different language. All right, now the scenario that I will take is I'm going to send an email. Okay, email will be sent. And once the email is sent, you want to translate that email into a different language. Okay, and you want the auto reply. Okay, let me create the flow for this one. So here what I can do, for now let me hard code the text here. English. Okay, and let me delete this. Okay, and what I can do, just a second. Yeah, here I will select my Outlook. This one. When a new email arrives, v3, and here I will say subject as translate. Yeah, here it is fine. And now what I can do, I can get the text from the body here. Okay, and before that, because it may give us an HTML format body, for that I will use from another action here that is called HTML2 text first. Yeah, here this one. Basically, I can get my email body inside this. Okay, and then it will give me the plain content. So I can receive my content from here. So what I can do, I can say, I can get it here. Okay, alright. Now here again, I already have created a flow, in my few previous videos where I've specifically tell how you can predict the language of your email. So let's say if you only know English, okay, and you may be dealing with multi-company scenarios or across the globe. If in case the language is not English, then you can set that condition here. So you can leverage another flow here, or you can leverage those conditions. So I've already posted a video how you can detect the language. So you can check out that one. Yeah, but for now it will simply translate the language to English, and maybe I will send a reply to this email only. So what I can do, I can go here, I can say Outlook. Alright, Outlook, and then what I can do, I can leverage my reply one here, and here I can get my message ID. So let me pick the message ID, and here the body I can get from my translate text. All right, and that's it. But yeah, here I can set up to whom I want to send this email. So I can select my this user. All right, so this seems to be completed now. Now what I will do, uh, uh, let's say I want to change this to a different language. Let me give Hindi here. So we'll get a Hindi version of that particular English text. So let me save this and then we'll test it out. The only thing I need to know is here what I have put here. Okay, translate. So now for testing, I will test it. So let me say here new email, send email. Let me uh, put here this one. All right. Here I need to put my subject as translate. Translate. All right. So here I will say hello. How is your day today? Something like this. And I should get the Hindi version of this particular text auto reply. So I will simply send this. All right. I'll wait for some time. Okay, so here I got the email as well, automatic reply. So in English, in Hindi, we call it Namaste, aaj aapka din kaisa hai? So this is the Hindi version of that particular English text. And typically, like English is worldwide use. So if you have, if you got your text in different language, so you can leverage this. And now let me stop my flow because here what is happening, it is automatically replying because I have set a filter here. If translate will be there, then you need to trigger this. So let me quickly stop this. I see translator. Typically when I'm replying, I should have changed the body, not body, sorry, the filter of my subject filter. And let me off this. Now it will not automatically trigger. So this is how you can automatically change your text or your email text to any language. And again, like if you already have your content in your desired language, then you can check out my other flow where I have showed how I can already predict the language. Thank you for watching this video.